All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of the sweet 3,000 hit club bet that we pulled tonight. We have 5 entries because the Orioles are in there twice. We have Leon Hurd, Craig Wood, Brian Earls. You guys are all eligible, so we're going to check the time June 9th at 10:29 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have June 9th at 10:29 p.m. There's the list of our 5 entries. We're just going to randomize your names. Then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brian Earl, spot 5 with the Milwaukee Brewers is our winner. So, Brian, I will get that shipped out for you on Monday. There is our verification code and our timestamp. Once again, June 9th at 10:29 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.